Hi, let's discuss the solution of the given question. Here the question is, let f of x be a polynomial of degree 4 having extreme values at x equals to 1 and x equal to 2. If limit x tends to 0, 1 plus f of x by x square equals to 3, then f of 2 equals to how much? Here our task is to calculate f of 2. So for that we require f of x. So first we will focus to find f of x. Clearly some information they provided about f of x. Here f of x be a polynomial of degree 4. The nature of f of x is a into x power 4 plus b into some x cube plus cx square plus t. Like that, and now some more information they provided here. Having extreme values at x equals to 1 and x equals to 2 means f dash of x at x equals to 1 will be 0. Peak point, extreme point means it attains f of x, it attains either local minima or local maxima. So at that point the derivative will be 0. And similarly f dash of x at x equal to 2 is also 0. Now let's simplify the given limit and then we will think about a f of 2. So the given limit x tends to 0, 1 plus f of x by x square equal to how much? 3. Within the bracket there is a 1 plus f of x by x square. So this implies limit x tends to 0, numerator becomes, take LCM as x square plus f of x by x square equals to how much? 3. Here clearly, since f of x is a 4th degree polynomial, now we can guess numerator as x square plus f of x equal to some a into x power 4. Since f of x is a 4th degree polynomial plus b into x cube plus here suppose here in the already they have given the limiting value. So in the denominator there is x square, in the numerator is also there is a polynomial of degree x power 4. So first we will try to avoid the constant term, so that easily we can get a 3. Suppose if I take here 3x square, when I take outside x square 3, then the constant 3 remains. The rest of the parts will be 0. When you substitute x equal to 0, x square gets cancelled. Finally, we will get this term in terms of x and this term in terms of x, and this term remains only 3. So after putting x equal to 0 in the given limit, finally we will get a limiting value is 3. So that's what clearly limit x to 0, the function, some function equal to 3 only. Then in this case we are getting 3 only. See, this is a common sense. Sometimes you have to guess the functions like this. If you take another one also you will get it, but it will be bit lengthy. So we will take this x square plus f of x as x a into x power 4 plus b into x cube plus 3x square. So in the next step, here this implies from this easily we will get f of x equals to a x power 4 plus b x cube, right, as it is. This x square is there transposed to the right hand side. Finally we will get 3x square minus x square, which is equals to 2x square. So this is the f of x we guessed. F of x equal to a into x power 4 plus b x cube plus 2x square. Now some more information they provided here. A and b are parameters. A and b are some arbitrary constants. Parameter means arbitrary constants. We have to calculate. So easily we can calculate. Some more information they provided. That is at x equals to 1 and x equal to 2. The derivatives are 0. So let me write here clearly. At x equals to 1, f dash of x equal to 0. So now what is f dash of x? Here only I am writing f dash of x equals to 4a x cube plus 3b x square plus 4x. 2 into 2 how much here? 4x. So you have to substitute now x equals to 1. So this implies you can write short form f dash of x equals to 0 at x equals to 1. So this implies, so 4a into at x equals to means 4a plus 3b, directly 4a plus 3b, how much is there? Plus 4 is there, plus 4 equals to 0. You can take this as equation 1. In the next step, here 2 into 2 exactly. In the next step, f dash of x equal to 0 at x equals to 2. So you can write a short form f dash of x equals 0 at x equals to 2. Now you can substitute. X equal to 2 means 2 cube 8 into 4 32a plus next x equals to 2 means 2 cube 8 into yes exactly plus 8b Next 4, there is x equal to 4 into 2 plus, 4x is there, 4 into 2 how much here? 8. Sorry, here 3b is there. 3b is in the sense x equal to means 3 square 4. 4 into 3 12b. Instead of 8b there is a 12b. So plus 8 equals to 0. 8 means 4 into 2. Now this is equation 2, but there is a common 4 is there in each and every term, fourth table. You can divide with 4 throughout the equation. This implies the above equation becomes 8a plus 3b plus 2 equal to 0. You can take as this equation 2. Now by solving these two equations 1 and 2, we will get the values a and b. Now 4a is there. Fortunately there is a 3b. You can write the above equation here. 4a plus 3b plus 4, which is equals to 0. You can subtract minus minus minus. This is 8a minus 4a. 4a. Next gets cancelled is 2 minus 4 minus 2. So which is equals to 0. This implies a equals to 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. Now substitute a equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1. We will get 4 into 1 by 2 plus 3b plus 4 equal to 0. So this implies how many times? 2 times. So 2 plus 4 means how much? 6. So 3b equal to minus 6. You transpose this 6 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 6. 3b equal to minus 6. This implies b equal to minus 6 by 3 means minus 2. So finally we got a equals to 1 by 2 and b equal to minus 2. Now the function f of x becomes, see, f of x equals to a into x power 4, right? A into x power 4. What is the value of a? A equal to 1 by 2. So finally x power 4 by 2 we will get as a first term. The second term bx cube, b equal to minus 2x cube. Minus 2x cube. Next plus 2x square. You can write as this plus 2x square. This is the required function f of x. Now we want f of 2. Simply you substitute x equals to 2. So put x equals to 2. Put x equals to 2. This implies f of 2 equals to 2 power 4 means 16 by 2 8 minus here 2 cube 8 into 2 there is 16, there is a minus 16 minus already I have written minus 16 plus 2 square 4 into 2 8. See now 8 plus 8 16 minus 16 which is equals to 0. Finally we get f of 2 equals to 0. Now let's compare with the given options. What are the given options here? Minus 1, this is incorrect. Second one 0, this is the correct option. Rest of the options are incorrect. At last, what is the process we applied here? Simply we simplified the limit and then we guessed the nature of the function f of x. From that easily we can get sure f of x equals to a into x power 4. Since they have given some information about f of x, finally f of x has been guessed as a into x power 4 plus bx cube plus 2x square. So it should be 2x square. Why? Already they have given the limit value equals to 3. So if I get 3 in the numerator, in the numerator there is a 3 into x square. When I cancel x square, finally there is a constant term 3 and the remaining terms will be 0. Finally we get limit value is 3. So and then we used extreme. What is the condition they have given here? Having extreme values at x equals to 1 and x equal to 2. So from the given two conditions in the sense f dash of x equal to 0 at x equals to 1 and f dash of x equal to 0 at x equal to 2, we get two equations and two unknowns in terms of a and b. Finally we got the values a and b. So then f of x becomes x square after substituting a and b, f of x equal to x square by 2 minus 2x cube plus 2x square. Finally we get f of 2 equal to 0. This is the required conclusion. Thanks for watching. All the best.